Earth, a unique jewel of the solar system. Earth is the most unique and solitary planet in our solar system, adorned with the priceless gift of life. Across its land, water, and sky, life vibrates in every corner. Deep oceans, vast deserts, and towering mountain ranges make Earth an extraordinary planet. Yet, as unique as Earth is, so are the incredible events that shaped it into what we see today. If we delve into Earth's past, we encounter catastrophic events that played a significant role in its formation. Without those miraculous occurrences, neither the Sun, nor Earth, nor any trace of life would exist today. Earth's past is filled with excitement and wonder. How was our planet formed? What were the miraculous events that played a vital role in its creation? Let's travel back 4.6 billion years. The image you see on your screen is that of a nebula, a massive cloud composed of gas, dust, and tiny particles. It's no ordinary cloud. It's a stellar nursery stretching across thousands of light years. Billions of years ago, everything visible today, from Earth to the Sun to the physical objects around you, was merely gas and dust in such a vast nebula. Within this cloud lies an invisible force that transforms gas and dust into the world we know today. That force is gravity, the same force that pulls an apple to the ground and keeps us tethered to Earth. Gravity played a pivotal role in shaping our universe. Without it, our world would never have come into being. The formation of our solar system. Gravity caused the solar nebula to contract over the next 10 million years. Meanwhile, a remarkable event occurred. A supernova explosion in a distant star sent shockwaves that set the nebula spinning. As the cloud shrank under gravity, its rotational speed increased, eventually flattening into a massive disk known as the protoplanetary disk. Most of the matter within the disk was drawn toward its center due to gravity, increasing pressure and temperature until a star was born, the Sun. Around 4.5 billion years ago, planets, including Earth, formed as dust particles collided and clumped together. Over millions of years, these tiny clumps merged into larger celestial bodies, eventually forming planets. Initially, our solar system had over 100 small planetary bodies, called protoplanets, orbiting the Sun. However, their unstable orbits caused frequent collisions, leading to the formation of larger planets. Earth, too, underwent violent impacts, becoming a molten ball of lava. The birth of the Moon. One significant collision shaped Earth profoundly. A Mars-sized protoplanet, named Theia, collided with Earth. This giant impact ejected molten material into space, forming a ring around Earth. Over time, this ring coalesced into the Moon. Scientific theories like the giant impact hypothesis suggest that the Moon was once part of Earth, supported by studies showing similarities between lunar and terrestrial soil compositions. The formation of magnetic fields. Over the next 50 million years, lighter elements rose to Earth's surface, while heavier elements, such as iron, sank to the core. This differentiation created Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet from the Sun's charged particles. Without it, solar winds would have stripped away Earth's atmosphere and oceans, making life impossible. Water and life Earth remained barren for a long time, with a molten surface and no water. However, comets and asteroids rich in minerals and water bombarded Earth, delivering the precious liquid that formed oceans. This process took millions of years and eventually made Earth habitable. Deep within these primordial oceans, single-celled organisms emerged, laying the foundation for life. Over billions of years, these microorganisms released oxygen, transforming Earth's toxic atmosphere into one that could sustain life. Earth's layers and evolution. As Earth cooled, its crust, mantle, and core took shape. Volcanic eruptions created landmasses, and tectonic activity shaped continents and mountains. Periodic events, such as ice ages and global warming caused by volcanic gases, continually reshaped the planet. Earth's core remained solid, despite its 6,000 degrees Celsius temperature, due to the immense pressure at its center. This remarkable balance of forces allows life to thrive on Earth.